Hi guys, my name is Hemi, and today we'll be going over the YLOC second grade worksheet lesson number 15. Okay, so this is just a review what we did over last week, right? So we have penny, nickels, and dimes. So 1 penny, if we remember, equals 1 cent, and it's the only coin that's like brown bronze color. We have nickel, which is equivalent to 5 cents, right? And it's the second biggest quarter. It's bigger than a dime, and it has this guy with the little ponytail. And we have a dime, which is equivalent to 10 cents, right? And it is the smallest coin, similar to the penny, right? So, as a review, let's answer a couple of these questions. Okay, so what is this? We can tell that this is a dime, right? D for dime. And then it's the same shape and the same size and color, so this would also be a dime, right? This will also be a dime because it's the same right now. And then we have a little bigger size, right? And we will know this as nickel. And then this one is a penny, and this one again is a dime. So on top, let's write their value. Diamond is always 10, dime. So 10, 10, nickel equals 5, penny is 1, and the dime is 10. So if we just add these up, 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 10 is 30, 30 plus 5 is 35, 35 plus 1 equals 36, and then plus 10 will equal 46 cents. Right? We have a penny. This looks like a nickel, right? Because it's a little bigger. We have a dime, nickel, penny. So if we write the value on top, 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1. So if you add that up, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 10, 17, 17 plus 5 will equal to 22, 22 plus 1 is 23 cents, right? Last example, we have a dime, a penny, a dime again, a penny again, a dime again, and lastly a nickel. So it'll be 10 plus 1 plus 10 plus 1 plus 10 plus 5. 10 plus 1 is 11, plus 10 is 21, 21 plus 1 is 22, plus 10 is 32, 32 plus 5 is 37 cents in total. Okay, moving on to time relationships and underlined digits. So this is very important to memorize. You gotta have this memorized. So let's see, morning is when the sun rises, right? The sun is up, right? So that's from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m., right? 12 p.m. you usually eat lunch, right? And the afternoon is considered from 12 a.m. or slash p.m. No, 12 a.m. to 6 p.m. is considered the afternoon, right? Where the sun is still up, right? And then in evening, 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. is when the sun starts to settle down, right? The sun sets and then it's night, right? And the night is 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. where it's absolutely pitch black. So this is very important to have it memorized. Okay, so using this, let's try to circle the best answer for questions 1 through 4. Okay, let's read this. Which would you do at 9 p.m.? So realistically, right? So we have go to school, go to bed, eat dinner, or plant flowers. So realistically at 9 p.m. it's very dark outside, right? You wouldn't be going to school because you go in the morning and come back when it's still in the afternoon. You wouldn't plant flowers because it's too cold and there's no sun. It's either go to bed or eat dinner, but you should eat dinner a little earlier, right? Not at 9 p.m. because that's too late. It's almost bedtime, so it would be go to bed. Thomas slept from 10 p.m. until 8 a.m. How much time passed? Okay, so if we look here, the time always resets from 12, right? So 1 through 12. So if it's 10, we count 10, 11, 12. That's 2 hours, right? 2 hours plus until 8 a.m. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you would just add these two. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. So not 10 minutes. It would be 10 hours, right? Okay. We have number 3, which is more than 1 hour. So what do we know? We know that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, right? So it has to be bare minimum, it has to be 60 minutes. If we look here, it has to be more than 60 minutes, right? More. So then 60 minutes is not 60 minutes. 72 minutes is bigger than 60 minutes, right? 60 minutes is barely there. 26 minutes is definitely not there. So which one is greater than 1 hour? It would be 72 minutes. What is the value of the underlined digit? So the underlined digit right here is 6, right? It's a 6 in the tens place? No, in the ones place, right? So it will not equal 60, right? It will not. It will equal to 6 because it's in the ones place. So watch out for your digit places. Moving on to word problems. Let's try out a couple. Lorna played piano for 60 minutes on Monday. How many hours did she play piano? Okay, so using our knowledge, we know that 60 minutes equal 1 hour. So if 60 minutes equal 1 hour, it says that there are exactly 60 minutes she practiced on Monday, then that would just be she played the piano for 1 hour. Very simple. John has 3 nickels, 2 pennies, and 3 dimes. How many cents does he have? Okay, so 1 nickel is equivalent to 5 cents, right? So we'll have 5 plus 5, 3 times. Then we have 2 pennies. 1 penny is equivalent to 1, so it will be 1 plus 1. And we have 3 dimes, which is 1 dime equals 10, so you would plus this 10 3 times. So if we add all this up, it will be 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16, plus 1 is 17, plus 10 is 27, plus 10 is 37, plus another 10 is 47. So you will have 47. Make sure to draw your cents logo. Lastly, every summer Peter goes to camp for 4 weeks. How many days does he stay at the camp? Okay, so they want us to convert it into days, okay? So this was from last week, right? Do you guys remember how many days are in 1 week? If you don't, it's right here. There's 7 days in 1 week, okay? So if we know that there's 4 weeks, then we would just plus 7 4 times. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. 21 plus 7 is equal to 28 days, right?